Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce you from the group of 9 consisting of Ageng Wicaksono, Ardikan Fatorik, Destin Arianto. Will explain a little about cryptography. Cryptography is one aspect of cybersecurity that has an important role in protecting information, data, and communication channel. Basically, cryptography is a method that is closely related to encryption, named the process of converting data into a certain format or code. Cybercriminals such as ransomware often take advantage of the codes in the cryptography method to carry out their action. What is the cryptography? Cryptography is a process of changing messages to hide their meaning. In the process, cryptography creates or produces a written message so that the message or information remains confidential. This data or information is then converted into an unreadable format so that it can be transmitted. Cryptography is a concept that is usually used in information security system at various level. This information can only be read if there is a least key for the description process, which is the process of changing encrypted data to return to the original data. During the information transmission and storage process, message data is kept confidential.
Confidentially, meaning that any protected data or information is confidential, so it cannot be accessed by anyone who does not have the authority. Non-repudiation, meaning that neither the sender nor the recipient can deny the purpose of creating or changing data. Authentication, meaning that both the recipient and the sender can now and confirm the identity of each and the search of the data they are using. Integrity. First, public key cryptography. One of the type of cryptography is public key cryptography, which is the most revolutionary method of protecting data and information in the last 300 to 400 years. Public key cryptography is a procedure that is considered more secure and secure by utilizing two interconnected keys, namely the private and public keys. Example of cryptography in this method that are quite often used include curve technique. Second, symmetric key cryptography. Another type of cryptography is symmetric key cryptography or secret key cryptography in Indonesian. In this type of cryptography, the sender and recipient of the message or data only used one key in describing and encrypting information. Third, hash function. Meanwhile, the hash function is a one-way encryption algorithm and does not use any key to protect data. Hash is basically a mathematical function that converts a numeric value as input and produce a compressed message.
There are five main components in the concept of cryptography. First, plain text. Plain text can be in the form of image, text, or binary code, which need to be converted or converted into an unreadable format. Later, only those who are authorized will have the authority to open this secret message. 2. Encryption algorithm. The encryption algorithm is a mathematical process that converts plain text into unreadable data, including chip text using a curtain encryption key. 3. Clip text in the encryption process, where an encryption algorithm is applied using a curtain encryption key. Plain text can be converted into a Rushed format known as chip text. Meanwhile, the description algorithm is also a mathematical process. However, what distinguishes it from its encryption algorithm is its purpose. 5. Encryption key. As previously mentioned, brief encryption is a process to convert plain text into text by applying an curtain algorithm, which is known as an encryption algorithm.